Let me show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 to your Samsung smartphone. So these work with any Samsung smartphones. So first what you do is you simply open up your case, and if everything is okay, after a short moment, this pop-up should appear on your phone. So you can simply click connect. Also, if it says to put them in the case and touch them, ignore that. You simply have to press and hold this button on the back of it. So hold it for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds and see it will start like resuming and connecting. So simply wait till it finishes. Okay, agree. And then we can kind of start using them. Okay, so what if that pop-up actually doesn't pop up for you and you can't still connect to them? Then the second way, what you can do is, first let me actually disconnect them. So you see, you can also unpair them easily. So yeah, what you do is, if the pop-up doesn't appear, so again, make sure the case is open. Again, simply press and hold the button on the end of it. Again, for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds, they will start to blink like this. Then again, I see this pop-up again opens up, but we can also like set it up directly from our Bluetooth settings. So again, click and hold, details, and you see we can actually click here, allow the pairing request, and I see they also get paired here. Okay, and you are all set. Okay, and also if you want to manage these earphones, you do not have to actually install any apps. If you go in your settings, so in your phone settings, I see in the top they appear here, so we can click on them and see you can manage all settings, active noise cancellation, earbud controls, for example, voice controls, so everything that you might need, so it's there. And again, yeah, then we can start using, take them out, put them in your ear, and they will work straight away. If also, for example, your phone doesn't still recognize them, what I suggest do is do a force start. Simply press and hold the power button plus volume down for roughly maybe 10 seconds. So again, the power plus volume down, and the phone will do like a soft reset on it and will clear all the adapters as well. And then again, it should find them. Okay, good luck.